Once upon a time, to the land of infinity, Axies living peacefully. Then one man falling from the sky.
Where am I? What is this place?
Poo-poo! Poo-poo! Welcome to the land of Axies. My name's Sophia Plants. Poo-poo! Poo-poo! Tweet-tweet! Tweet-tweet! And I'm Cassie the bird. Tweet-tweet! Tweet-tweet!
And I am Samantha the beast.
Poo! Poo-poo! Who are you? And where are you from? Poo-poo! Poo-poo!
I'm Lakbayero, and I am from the world of YouTube. Can you help us to go back to my place? I need to go back to my place because I need to save my world. Because my world got a virus called COVID. So I need to go there to help them.
Poo-poo! Poo-poo! Yes, but in one condition. You need to help us save our queen and king. They were kidnapped by the bad guys by the street. Poo-poo! Poo-poo!
Okay, that's a deal. So what are you waiting for? Let's find the bad guys and save your king and queen. Hooray!
Thank you for saving our queen and king. Here's a gift for saving our king and queen. Poo-poo! Poo-poo!
Wow, thank you. What is this?
Poo-poo! That is a vaccine to save your world. Poo-poo! Poo-poo!
Thank you for this. This is a big help. So, let's go now to save my world.
Poo-poo! That's the portal to your world. Poo-poo! Poo-poo! Tweet! 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 Thank you for helping us. Tweet! Tweet! Tweet!
Thank you guys. I need to go now. Bye-bye.
Poo-poo! Bye-bye! 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 Thank you very much.